Hello, hello, hello. This is Kostas Albanidis, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you the correct way you're gonna have to connect AzuraCast with RadioBOSS. There are many clients and many people that ask me the same question that while they're playing and they connect with RadioBOSS, their server shows their radio to be offline. Okay, um, that's a very common issue because usually when you connect with a broadcasting service, Icecast, and you use the credentials that they are here, you're making the same mistake. You have to always stop the auto DJ to be able to connect. So using that way, your server shows that it's offline, and you see everywhere that everything is offline. But in fact, your streaming is playing normally. So I'm gonna show you the correct way you have to connect with AzuraCast. Okay. Uh, to Free Spirit servers, the easy way and to manage to play without interruption and to take advantage even from the auto DJ service, you have just to follow a very simple procedure. First of all, you have to ensure that you have streamers DJ enabled. Okay, you have to go here to edit station settings and then check streamers DJ over here. You're gonna have to have this allow streamers DJ to be enabled. Always you have here a port. In case you don't have a port, you're gonna have to set one. But usually it's always preset there. To my case, it's 8046. And you can go now here to streamers DJ and just add your streamers. Each streamer can have a particular period of time that they can play. They can you can schedule even the day of this particular streamer. You just have to add a username, a password, and just the streamer's display name, and if you want a comment. Okay. Here you're gonna see that inside the streamer you can schedule what I told you before, that you can schedule the exact time that they can connect, the exact time that they have to disconnect, and they're gonna be disconnected, and the dates. You can even set the dates, the exact dates, and of course the days. If you don't want to set something like that, you can just remove from here. You can even add a special artwork for this TJ. That could be even your streaming account, okay? But the point is that you have to use this way to ensure that you're gonna be able to connect normally with your web radio, and you can disconnect easily anytime without even bother about the auto DJ. The auto DJ is gonna be there ready to take the autopilot and start playing with autopilot your music. Okay. Let me show you now. I'm gonna use the exact credentials that I see here to connect with the RadioBOSS. Let me just open the RadioBOSS. Okay, now we got the RadioBOSS. I'm gonna come here to settings, options, and over here to options I'm gonna move to broadcast. I'm gonna add the radio just to see the exact procedure. I'm gonna select configure wizard and then select Icecast and then click next. Over here I'm gonna add my server aphrodite.freespirits.gr, and I'm gonna set the particular port here. It's 8046, you see, that's the port that I'm gonna have to connect my not my auto DJ, my streamers. And over here I have set a username Costas and a password that I can use for this streamer. I don't need to use any mount point, and I just click finish. I just click OK then, and I'm ready. If I click here now, let me show you first the radio that it's playing. You see? It's playing normally. And now I'm gonna click to connect. You see, it's connecting, it's active. And now I'm gonna play something from here. Let's play this Digital Dreamer. And let's move on here to see what is playing now. You see, it's playing the Ethereal Horizons. And now it just turned and start playing from the streaming. And you see now it's even what it was writing here, the metadata have changed. Now it says live. Costas is online and playing, and as you're gonna see over here to the streamer, that's what I selected to add here, and that's what is transmitting. So I can even change the artwork with the image of each streamer, and on that way you can have a lot of streamers playing to your own web radio and transmit their music, or just use a podcast or something like that. So in case now I disconnect with the RadioBOSS from here, if I come here and disconnect it, or just pause, or even stop the music, the auto DJ is gonna start playing automatically. That's why it's called auto DJ, and that's why it's there. You don't have to stop it every time you start transmitting. Okay, let me just come here. If I'm gonna disconnect from here, I'm not gonna stop it. You see that it's turned automatically. It reverted to the auto DJ, and it starts playing from the auto DJ here. Isn't it amazing? That's the correct way to connect. You see, it just reverted normally, and all the other metadata disappeared from the transmitting from the RadioBOSS. So now the RadioBOSS, it's offline. You see, it's not on air. I can even close it because here it's playing locally, but it's not connected anywhere. I can close it, and it's playing with the auto DJ automatically without even come here and start the auto DJ or stop it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that helped you a lot to understand the correct way to use AzuraCast and connect all your streamers. And happy streaming, and wish you the best. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of amazing videos about AI tools, and many interesting videos about how you can solve a lot of problems on streaming, on web design, on using AI, and so many stuff that bothers me or you every day. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.